I'm pleased to say I've got this gate latch working as it should. I hadn't done one in this method before. It's positioned so that the client can open the gate just by putting a heavy box. If they're carrying a heavy box, they can just push the box down on top of the gate and then just give the gate a nudge to swing it open. I've still got to do the rivets down at the bottom, but all the rivets along here are done, and the bars alternate, 2 at the front and 2 at the back, and then some move round forward and rivet onto the front of one that's at the back. So for example, these 2 here are at the back, but this one comes up and then rivets round onto the face of that one, whilst that one also continues onto the back of there. So it's quite 3D.